How to switch to dark mode on Instagram on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to switch to dark mode on Instagram on iPhone. To start, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Now, go to the Profile tab at the bottom. In the top right corner, tap the three bars to open Settings. Scroll down and find the Accessibility and Translations option. Tap on it and you can see that there is no option to enable dark mode on Instagram on iPhone. After that, go to the Settings app on iPhone. Scroll down to find the Display and Brightness option. Then, tap on it and lower the brightness of the screen. Then, swipe down to the Control Center and tap the dark mode option. It will be displayed on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.